Yo, it's Chriso. Last job for today. I'm on the same job that I'm doing this ensuite and bathroom. And the lady of the house has asked me to do this simple splashback. Well, it's simple, alright. I'll tell you. Because I'll just show you something. I'm not even having to, I don't even have to cut my tile. Anyway, so 300 wide, so 6 tiles wide, 6 threes are 18, which brings me to there. So it's a cut of 240 at that end, so that's brilliant. I'm cutting off 60 mil, so it's going to be nice. But I tell you what, I still prime my wall. And it does not take long to do. I'm being very careful because I don't want to splash it everywhere. Going through there, around that power point. I've put a piece of aluminium there just to hold my tile up. I levelled it across. I'll have it all up before my primer dries. Okay, I'll just go and jack up my glue. Alright, I've still got my 8mm trowel from the bathroom floor. It'll do. I need to few obstacles in the way, but it's all right. Now I might put the cut down that end. Look at that. Now how easy. Easy peasy, they say. Easy peasy. Slap in your clip. Don't get glue on her dress. Where can I put that? Somewhere else, I think. I'll get shot. There you are. Now I won't get glue. I'd be in trouble then. Ooh. Ushka. Then I can grout and silicon everything tomorrow and out of here and on to the next. They say tiling's hard yakka. Well, sometimes it can be pretty easy too. It can be quite easy. But there's good little wins in every trade. Occasionally you have a nice little win, and this is one of them. Okay, we'll see you soon. I'll carry on across there and I'll come back to you.